In this video, I hope to give you solution. My iPhone hotspot doesn't work. My iPhone hotspot is disabled. How to fix it? It is very simple. Now we look our iPhone settings. You can see mobile data is showing, but mobile hotspot doesn't show. You can see here there are no option. Now I hope to go to the internet settings, network settings. You can see here mobile data APN values. You can see here several APN values. They are empty. You can see here APN has been named as internet username particular service provider name, because this is different to country. Therefore, you should get these details from your internet service provider. If you are changing new SIM, this iPhone will disable your iPhone personal hotspot automatically. You can see here several APN, especially personal hotspot APN. You can see here it is named as internet, but this will change ISP to ISP. You can see here this is username is Hutch. There are no password in our country, but if your country has some password, you can collect them internet service provider. Now you will see your personal hotspot. You can see it will automatically enable. Now you can see here personal hotspot is off. Now you can enable it, allow other to join. Here I hope to press USB only. After completion of that, you can connect your iPhone into your laptop computer using the lightning cable or USB-C cable. After completion of that, you will see everything. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos, and remember to subscribe my YouTube channel to get new technical updates.